In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove dependency in ClickUp. If you've ever had a task held up by a dependency that's no longer relevant, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to clear that link so your work can move forward without unintended blockers. In ClickUp, dependencies are relationships like waiting on or blocking that control when a task can start or finish. Removing a dependency doesn't delete any tasks, it just breaks the connection between them. First, choose your space. In the left sidebar, navigate to the space that contains the work you're updating. Spaces are your top-level containers for related projects and teams, so make sure you're in the right one before you proceed. If you work across several spaces, a quick visual check of the space color and name can help prevent edits in the wrong place. Also, ensure you have permission to edit tasks in this space. Without edit access, you won't be able to change dependencies. Next, click on List and open the task menu from its line. Within your chosen space, drill down to the list that holds the task you want to adjust. In List View, find the specific task on its row. Hover over the row to reveal the quick actions and open the task menu from that line, typically the three-dot icon. This menu surfaces key task controls without needing to fully open the task. If you prefer, you can open the task in its full view, but the menu from the line is a fast way to get where you need to go. Now, click on Dependencies. This opens the panel that shows all linked relationships for the selected task. You'll see items grouped under labels like waiting on and blocking, which indicate how the tasks relate. To remove a dependency, locate the linked task you no longer need, hover over it, and click the X icon. If ClickUp prompts you to confirm, accept the change. The dependency will be removed immediately, and any scheduling constraints tied to it, like start dates that were waiting on another task, will no longer apply. Repeat this for any other links you want to clear. That's all there is to it. Choose your space. Open the list and the task menu from its line, then remove the dependency via the Dependencies panel. Your changes save automatically, and the tasks themselves remain intact. As a best practice, quickly review the task dates after removing dependencies to ensure timelines still make sense for your workflow. When you're done, close the panel or return to your list to continue working.